Well, today is a very important day for the EIT RawMaterials. It gave us the opportunity to speak about the importance of the network, of building an open innovation community where we share and learn and train also the workforce of the future. We can talk about transferring best practices from one side of the value chain to other. And, we had the opportunity to strengthen our ties with universities and research institutes as well. So very fruitful and interesting to see that we have a lot of things in common goals, common direction that we want to go.
To be a partner in the EIT RawMaterials is for us a great opportunity to work together in a really large network of experienced partners on innovations and to bring these innovations really to the market as a value for all of us, for the industry, for the researchers and also for the educational people.
I'm in Berlin, and this is something which is quite relevant, not only for the key raw materials, but for the prospects in the future of Europe, because we are looking for the missions of the future, where the materials are a key element to prospect the future. And this is something which we have to look very carefully and will impact a lot, not only at the academics, at industries, but also for the policymakers for the future strategy of Europe. This is really fantastic and should be promoted and kept at high level and with high standards, as I saw today happening in Brazil. Thank you very much.
Really like it, Christina Robert sentence that we need to change the mindset. How we use the materials, how we produce the new technologies, and what is the future for also for future engineers in the raw material sector.
Eramet, as a core partner of the EIT RawMaterials, really appreciate the network we can find there with a diversity of partners present all along the value chain of raw materials. These partners are industrial, universities and research centers, and this is really important for us to find all these kind of people.
We are very happy to be part of the EIT RawMaterials networks because the topics circular economy and substitution are very important for us as a waste company. And therefore it's very important to be in the strategy workshop to meet the different partners of EIT RawMaterials and to be able to impact on the strategy for the coming years.
I find this strategy meeting very important. It's a place where we can meet partners and also get new friends and discuss about projects and it has been really interesting to see so many people attending this meeting and being so active. I think that EIT RawMaterials is the most important innovation network where we are acting, and we have about 20 ongoing projects with companies, with universities and particularly take our innovations towards commercial utilization.